everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a quick and easy mix for you. We're going to convert my vanilla chai latte mix into a sugar-free version. This is very easy and it's very delicious and you will not miss the sugar. This is going to help you if you're on a path to no sugar or low sugar, or if you have certain dietary restrictions. This is going to help you enjoy the things that you love without missing out on them. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. We are going to get started making our vanilla chai latte drink mix. Now we're going to go through and I'm going to start remaking some of my original drink mixes in a sugar-free version because I know there are a lot of people who will really enjoy that. And I think that it's helpful because just because maybe you have a certain dietary need, but you don't want to give up these flavors and beverages that you really, really love. So this is super easy. We're going to start off by using 1 cup of heavy cream powder. This is similar to the powder that I used in the homemade sugar-free hot cocoa mix I made at Christmas. I'll leave a link down below to a shopping list that you can go refer to. By all means, you can source this on your own. You never have to purchase it from my shopping list if you don't want to. But if you do purchase it from the Amazon list, then I do get a very small percentage that does not cost you anything extra, and it does help this channel to continue to make excellent content. So 1 cup of heavy cream powder, 1 cup of dry milk powder, 1 cup of stevia sweetener blend. This is a stevia and Splenda blend, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar substitute. So this is Swerve brown sugar substitute. I'll leave that in the shopping list as well. All these things I'll leave in the shopping list. But this is Swerve brown sugar substitute, and it is made with erythritol. And I have 1 packet of sugar-free French vanilla pudding mix. Now, you can leave this out if you want, but it's not going to have the vanilla flavor. And you can also source this particular type of vanilla pudding is made with stevia and not aspartame. So I'll also include that in the shopping list. And I have a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Additionally, you can add a teaspoon of ground cardamom, but I'm not going to do that today because I'm going to be honest, I didn't feel like digging it out of the back of my pantry. So we're just going to go with the pumpkin pie spice. So mixing this up couldn't be easier. You're just going to dump everything into a bowl and you're going to whisk it together. So that was our heavy cream powder. Here's our dry milk powder, our sweetener, our brown sugar sweetener. And that's a 1/2 cup packed. And the Swerve brown sugar is just like regular brown sugar in its consistency. Our vanilla pudding mix and our pumpkin pie spice. Y'all, I am a real doofus. Laid out all the ingredients, got ready, started talking to you, started mixing this up, realized I made a big mistake and left out the most important freaking ingredient in a chai latte, the tea. So this is 1 cup of unsweetened instant iced tea mix. This is the kind I use, the Nestea. It's usually available in most grocery stores. So don't leave that out because otherwise it won't be chai. Because, you know, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the word chai is actually Indian for tea. So we're going to just add our tea. We're going to move on. And y'all know I'm not perfect. Never claimed to be. So I'm just like you. I get busy and I make mistakes every single day. So here we go. At least I caught it before the video was over. Otherwise, that would have been terrible. Yeah. I don't know. We would have fixed it one way or the other. But all you have to do is get this nice and blended. You want to make sure it's evenly blended. And then we're going to make you a cup. And then I'll tell you how to do that. All right, I heated some water up in the kettle. And the way you're going to make this is for an 8 to 12 ounce cup, you're going to want 1/4 cup of mix. And then you're just going to want to fill your cup up. And then get you a spoon and stir. Stir really well, And the best part is, these mixes, because they're made with the powdered milk and the powdered heavy cream, they form a little bit of a crema on the top, which is kind of nice. So if you're a fan of good coffee or espresso, you know what crema is. It's that creamy, foamy layer that sits on top of your beverage, and that's it. So here you go. It looks beautiful. It smells amazing, and that is how you make sugar-free vanilla chai latte mix that you can use at home. You can use it to give away as gifts, and it's super simple as long as you source the proper ingredients. Nobody is going to miss the sugar in this, I promise you. And if you're on a path where you're trying to eliminate or greatly reduce the amount of sugar you put in your body, this is one of those things that's going to help you to enjoy the things that you love without feeling deprived of them, because deprivation is not the answer. Finding another way is definitely the answer. I hope this helps. I hope you give this sugar-free chai latte mix a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya!